Hi everybody, this is Todd with the Daily Forex video. Hopefully you're having a great day today and the market is treating you well. We've had some pretty good moves here over the last little bit, and we might take a look at that in just a second. But I wanted to spend a few minutes looking at what's happening with the charts on a longer time perspective, so we can get a sense of where we're sitting in relationship to that. The first chart I have up here is the Euro-US dollar, and I'm drawing this line here because I think that it gives us a pretty good perspective of what is going on. As you know, we talk about trends and we talk about support and resistance, and those things are critical in being able to identify when we're going to be entering using the simple trading method. So right now, we'd have to say that the trend is moving up on this. We have a couple of areas here where we'd include some resistance. And we've pulled back to support here. And so when we are at a support level and the price is moving up, we're looking at entering into the simple trading method as the price moves back up above the highest high of the last three. So in this case, I'm going to zoom in on this. The highest high of the last three is going to be right here. So in this instance, we'd go ahead and place a buy stop excuse me, into the trade and look at catching this as it begins to move up. Now, each day as we go forward, we're going to adjust that so that we're always looking at the highest high of the last three. But overall, pretty good uptrend here on the euro dollar. The Aussie dollar, a little different situation here. We have, really kind of a consolidating pattern of price action, and you can see that we're kind of moving here right now on this. As we look at it, we are back up towards some resistance, so look for some selling pressure to come into play, causing the price to turn and head back down towards the support area. The difficulty with this is to really define whether or not it's in a downtrend or not, and we'd have to look at maybe adding into this something like a moving average. So if we put on here a moving average of 40, you can see that we're basically flat here, and so not a lot of real strong evidence that things are moving up or down. So this is probably not one that, based on the simple trading method, would give us a good opportunity. The pound dollar really moving up today. Strong move to the upside. We're kind of forming a little bit of a broad wedge here. And so we would look for shorting opportunities if this continues to move down, but right now the moving average is going up. So again, real difficulty in determining the trend on those last two pairs there. US Japanese yen, trend is moving up. We'd need to see a little bit of a pullback before we got into this. And the CAD, uptrend, we would certainly want to see a little bit of a pullback here, or a move back up, I should say. Excuse me. Or a move down to be able to get into this as it begins to move back up. Again, just looking for those basic rules of the simple trading method, looking to enter into them and taking advantage of the trend as it begins to move. So with that, we'll kind of wrap it up for today. That's kind of a look at the overall movement on the markets. And if you have questions about that or anything else, feel free to let me know. If not, have a great rest of the day, and we'll be back tomorrow to kind of wrap up the week and look for some potential trade setups that might be occurring. So until then, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.